Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. On your Honor 7X enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging so the laptop can communicate. Use a known good USB-C cable and a working laptop USB port. This reduces connection errors. Once you plug the phone in, unlock the screen immediately and watch for the USB mode pop-up. Make sure to select File Transfer. This initial setup ensures the laptop can access files and ADB if you need deeper control. Next, establish a stable link. Once File Transfer is selected, check the phone status as transferring files. This means MTP is active. On Windows, install Huawei or Universal MTP drivers. On Mac OS, install Android File Transfer to browse files. If you enabled USB debugging, open a terminal and run a DB devices to confirm the phone appears. If it does, you can push files or run commands. These steps make sure both simple file access and advanced ADB control are available. To finish, transfer your files or run the needed actions, then safely eject the phone from the laptop to prevent corruption. If the device does not appear, try a different USB cable or port, then reinstall the MTP or Huawei drivers. Often that fixes recognition. As a quick reset, restart both phone and laptop and toggle USB debugging off and on. If one key tip helps, always try another cable first. Most connection problems come from faulty cords.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.